guys, today here we have with me the Sony ZV1. I sold my Canon G7X Mark II just so I could get this, and I've been hearing some pretty great things about this camera, and I really wanted to get this unboxed. Before you actually buy this, it is suggested that you buy an external charger. I do have one over there, but let's see what's inside of the box, of course. Pamphlets. It's cool that they came with this, like the windjammer. A USB, I ain't gonna use that. Camera, battery. So here is the start of the show. Wow. Very lightweight, feels good. So one thing to take note of is actually the swivel screen. That's why I bought it. And like the whole popping up screen with the G7X, this one makes you feel like more so a creator, because now you could shoot videos like this. Pop this battery in, see if there's any juice in here. So otherwise, we're gonna have to charge it. Wow. So the battery itself isn't fully charged. So the good thing is about this camera is it is a 24 to 70 millimeter. And it's a f-stop of 2.8, so it does really great with low lighting. So a couple things to take note of is actually the fact that it did come with a windjammer right here. I put this on, I'm going to leave it on only because I feel like I won't be taking it off much, since this is basically a run and gun kind of camera. I'm going to take this thing with me everywhere. And the great thing is this does shoot in 4K. That's one reason why I invested into it. Another great feature is this can have an external mic. Right there, there is an external mic jack, 3.5 millimeter, and if you want to, you could just throw an external mic on here, but I will not be doing that with this camera. I have other cameras to do that with, but if you're wondering what it looks like, this is what it looks like. I'll show you. This is what it looks like. It looks a little too clustered for my taste. That's the reason why I personally wouldn't be able to put a camera on it. I mean, I personally wouldn't be able to put a microphone on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and play you guys a compilation basically of videos that I get with this camera. Enjoy.